Hi Stampers, it's Elizabeth from stampscraftmore.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator located in Canada, and it is Friday, June the 17th, 2022, and I'm off work today. Yay! I'm in my happy place. So I love getting up early in the morning, and I'm talking 5:30, 6 o'clock, and coming into my studio and creating and doing all things Stampin' Up! And looking at paper and stamps and using them. And then I went down for coffee at about 9 o'clock and went outside, turned on the sprinkler and sat outside until maybe half an hour ago when I decided, okay, Elizabeth, don't waste this day. And I went and got a shower because I have some errands to run. But just as I was getting ready to leave the house, I had a knock on the door. It's paper pumpkin time. So before I go out and start my errands for the day, I thought I would share with you what is in the paper pumpkin box. So let's get started. Here we go. Here's the paper pumpkin box. I'm just going to turn up light here on something. Give me 1 second while I turn up. Oh, it is bright. Okay, so I hope this is clear. You guys can see this okay. I didn't set the camera up very well, and you can see the edge of my grid paper, but that's okay. Alrighty, so much more. So love the mini canvas shopping bag included in this month's kit. Just scan the QR code below to purchase additional bags. Oh, I can't wait to see it. So this is the QR code, and I believe this would probably only be eligible if you are a Paper Pumpkin subscriber. So you'll get 4 bags in each add-on bundle. I was just on a Stampin' Up! Site, and I don't think they're available yet, but here's the QR code if you wanted more information about the bag or you want to purchase the bag. So, yahoo! And then next month is Sending Good Thoughts, ready to win. This month we're giving you, our loyal Paper Pumpkin subscribers, the chance to win a free Paper Pumpkin kit. Learn more about subscriber perks and uncover a few surprises about next month's kit. Your chance is just a click away. And again, scan to play. Alrighty, so let's get started and see what's in this kit. I love it. Oh, by the way, it's called Pick of the Crop, and it's June 2022's Paper Pumpkin kit. We've got Calypso Coral is the ink du jour. The stamp set is Thinking of You, Love You a Whole Bunch, You Are the Sweetest, You're the Pick of the Crop, Hello, and then we've got a branch here, we've got a strawberry, we've got some little, I guess, grapes, and we've got like a splatter, and then the big hello. So that's the stamp set du jour. Okay, it's going to be a really tiny bag to fit in here. Oh, it's so cute. It's a little mini bag. Isn't that cute? Adorable. So here's the kit. Oh my goodness, look at the cards. Oh, I'm excited. Pick of the Crop Paper Pumpkin kit. We've got like 3, 6, 9 cards with coordinating envelopes. And oh, that looks cute. Looks cute, cute, cute. And if you're not aware, next month is Celebration again. And if you wanted to join and subscribe to Paper Pumpkin, Celebration is the best time to get a 3, 6, or 12-month subscription, because you'll also earn free product from the Celebration catalog. And I got a parcel the other day, and it had some of the Celebration items in it. And one day this weekend, I'm going to do an unboxing. Some really cute stuff. All right, so the colors that coordinate with this are Blackberry Bliss, Cajun Craze, Calypso Coral, Crushed Curry, Garden Green, Night of Navy, and Soft Succulent. Oh, what a cute little gift bags. Adorable, adorable, adorable. And then again, here are the picture instructions. Alrighty then, we have this little bag. Let me get out my ruler. I turned over my grid paper because it was dirty. It had my personal information on it, so I turned it over and it's metric, but I'm going to bring out my handy dandy ruler. So it's 5.5 inches. Oh, and I'm going to sneeze by 6. Oops. I'm going to pause one moment. Okay, come back. Yes, I'm back again. I had to sneeze and I didn't want you guys to hear that on the screen. Alrighty, so there's the little bag and it'll fit these cards perfectly. Oh, look at the envelopes. I'm doing a little happy dance, happy dance. Okay, so here are the envelopes. I want to get them all the right way. Here we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 envelopes. That's the outside. Love this detail. And then here is the inside with this pattern, striped pattern. Fun. I know people think, oh, envelopes, big deal. You're going to write on them, they're going to get thrown out. But to me, it just finishes the card off when you've got a really nice envelope. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, so cute. Alrighty. So here is the first card, and let me just bring this up here. So this would be this card here. And okay, so you know my take on this, right? If you wanted to take this up even further, use the old Wink of Stella and you can highlight the berries, right? Or you can stamp the berries, because you've got a berry stamp. So you can stamp the berries and sort of pop them up, pop everything up a little bit. Cute, cute, cute. The same with the grapes. So that is 3 of the cards. Ooh, this is another. Love this even for and this is the card here, but even for a card not using this kit, this is a beautiful background. Beautiful background. And then the last is like a picnic blanket, and that's this card here. We've got some vellum. Oh, we've got lots of vellum. We've got vellum here. I'll show you. I'll pop them out here for you. This actually has got like a jagged edge, so you've got 3 of those, and you've got 3 of those. Alrighty. Oh, so cute. So you've got 6 of these, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12 of these, and then you've got 6 of these. These would be like bread in your basket. Oh my God, I love this one. This is my favorite. Oh, and they've given us 4. So you've got 4 of the carts with the wheel, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 of the branches. There we go. Oh, there's something stuck in the back there. Make sure. Adorable, adorable, adorable. And then we have 4 of these, 4 of these, 4 of the cheese, 4 of these call out, and 4 of these banners. And you know how I said before you could pop up? Well, Stampin' Up read my mind, because let me just get this back out again, because these go on top of this. Bonus! So you can definitely use your Wink of Stella to take that up a little bit and take those up. I can't wait to play with this kit. And then of course you've got your dimensionals, and you have your glue dots. Bonus! And again, here are the cards. And at some point, this, let me see here, back here. At some point, you'll be able to scan that QR code and order a 4-pack of the mini bags. I don't know what the cost is going to be of them. I guess I should have looked at that ahead of time. But let me just show you, for instance, if you wanted to give somebody a little card, a gift card or something with a card on the inside, there you go. And then you can stamp this and decorate it. You can bedazzle it. What do you think? I love that set. I think I'm gonna like next month's even more. But if I hear more about the mini bags, I will definitely let you know. But thanks for checking out today. Now I'm gonna go run my errands and then come back home and get creative again. Have a good one. Happy stamping, and we'll talk to you again soon. Bye.